the Galley of the JPD, a Sea Shepherd vessel, and we're going to be making a sauce that's going to be so delicious for our dinner. Now, I grabbed this out of the cupboard and I thought, yeah, I could do so much better than this. What do we got in here? Well, water. All right, so I decided to gather the ingredients that I think will best mimic what's in this package, but it's going to be whole foods, more or less. So water. We'll start with a bit of water. The next thing is white rice vinegar. Well, instead of white rice vinegar, let's go for organic apple cider vinegar with the mother. So this has probiotics in it, and it's just a little bit better for your health. Okay. Then this has soy sauce, water, sugar, salt, barley malt extract, defatted soybean flakes, color, plain caramel, yeast extract, spirit vinegar, wheat, sugar, modified cornstarch. Okay. So for all of those things, let's use some Bragg's liquid aminos and some maple syrup. Mixed a bit of that earlier. Okay. So 2 simple ingredients, we can get rid of all those other things. Toasted sesame oil, which we have right here. And this says, okay, red chili paste, chili pepper, salt, acidity regulator, acetic acid, more soy sauce, okay, water, salt, soybeans, roasted wheat, sugar, alcohol, soybean paste, miso. Okay, so a little bit more probiotics. Then we've got water, soybeans, oh, and the soybean paste was water, soybeans, rice, salt, yeast, lactic acid, bacteria, koji culture, which actually koji is in miso as well. Ginger puree. So instead we're going to use straight ginger. And if you know the ginger spoon trick, instead of peeling it or cutting it and losing a lot of the ginger, you just use a spoon and it comes off super easily. And you just are skinning it and you're not losing any of the ginger itself. So that's the trick. Okay, but since we're using organic ginger, we're just going to throw the whole thing in the Vitamix, like that. And the next thing is garlic puree. So again, let's just use some fresh garlic. Delicious. Oh, I can't wait. It's going to be super yummy. Okay, and then we've got spring onion. I think the garlic is probably enough. We've got color, caramel, and chili powder. So chili powder, we'll add some of that. Okay, and I think we're ready to blend our own whole food plant-based sauce that has no preservatives in it. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness, it's so good. Wow. A little bit more Bragg's. That's amazing. So I really like to make sauces that are whole food sauces, quick and easy. Oh my gosh, it's so delicious. Let's pour that over top of our dinner. Wow. Amazing. I hope you're hungry.